So, very at the top. Pakansipan Summit. Look at the fog. This is so full of fog. See? And some more steps. We need, I think we already climbed or take about 1,000 steps going up here. But we need to take another few more steps to go up there. And then when going down, we will take the tram. We will take the tram. This is where the railway for the tram railway.
Alam mo ko picture dito sa 1.1
Mga girls. Nakakapagod umakyat. Sobrang daming steps. Nakakapagod. Anyway, but it's fun. We enjoyed it here. It's so foggy, but sunny. So sometimes we need to wear our shades because we cannot see anymore. Here. Tram. Yun ang tram.